Now I am going to show you how you can earn $5 in 5 minutes from 5 survey.
Are you comedy me?
For doing that, I am actually using BAUL.live.
अब आया ना लाइन पे
Well, I have already qualified 5 survey and prepare BAUL link. Also, I save all link on my notepad. So first of all, I copied my first survey link and open a new tab. Then here I am doing paste and go. Well, our first survey is complete. Okay, so now I am taking second survey link from notepad. Then okay, I copied my second survey link and open another new tab. Then I paste here my second link, and as usual my second survey link is work. Okay, now I copied my third link from notepad and okay, so my third link is also work. Okay, now I am doing my fourth link, copy it, then open another new tab and same paste and go. Well, my fourth link also work, and now my last survey link. Okay, well, I copied my last survey link from notepad, and as usual I am doing here copy and paste and go. Well, my 5 survey also work, and they add my credit $5 on my account. Now I am going to do withdraw. I am select here ACS and claim reward, and then they are send me the reward in a minute. Well, now I am show you on my account reward sent date for proof. Well, April 19, then BD time. Okay, BD time also 19 April.